Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Livewire tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about lifecycle hooks in Livewire. So in the previous tutorial, we talk about some method and actions. So first of all, let me just clear some code over here so that it becomes easier for us to read the code and understand. So here, this is what we have right now over here. You can see. So we are going to keep this name over here, but we'll remove this form over here. From here, then we'll keep this input type text, but we'll remove the input type checkbox and the select option and this one as well. And let's just keep only on div over here. Okay, so this is all we have in this hello.blade.php, and let's also remove this hello from Livewire as well. And from the hello.php, we'll remove this check me equal false, then this stock function, and also this reset name function as well. So let's save it, and if we now refresh here, so here you can see only Carlos, and over here in the input field we have Carlos, and here this Livewire tutorial, this text is coming from the welcome.blade.php from here. So first of all, we're going to talk about a function called mount over here. So let me just write the function over here. Public function mount will give to first bracket, then to second bracket, and here we're going to say dollar this arrow sign name equal to, we're going to mention a name. Let's say the name will be Adam. So what will this mount function do? So here in the mount function we are mentioning name equal to Adam. So here you can see in the public we have a name equal to Carlos. But what will happen is that because of this mount function, the name will change from Carlos to Adam. So right now, if we refresh here, we will not see over here Carlos. It will be Adam. If we just refresh, here you can see Adam. And you can also pass name data in the mount function as well. Let me just say over here dollar name, and here instead of Adam we are going to say here dollar name, and we are going to pass this name from our welcome.blade.php from here you can see Livewire hello world. So here after this hello world we'll give this clone over here, then we'll say over here name equal to we'll give to double quotation, and inside it we can say any name. Let's say here Yummy. Let's save it. Then right now what will happen is that this name will pass over here and it will show us this name Yummy. Okay, so right now if we refresh, we'll see over here Yummy, as you can see. So right now I'm going to talk about a function called updated. So let me just write over here public function updated, and we'll give to second bracket, and here let me just show you. Instead of explaining, then we will explain. First let me just show you the example. We'll just copy it and paste it here, and here in the name over here, let's just remove this. Let's give to single quotation, and inside it let's say here I am updated. So what will happen is that if we make any changes in the input type text over here, then the name value will change to I am updated. So let me just save it and let's refresh over here, and if I just change anything in the input field over here you can see it is saying I am updated. So the name value is changed from the name to I am updated. So there is one more function called like updating and hide it kind of or similar to updated, but I don't remember using hide it in a actual project up until now. So yeah, this is all about this tutorial, and if you have any question you can let me know in the comment section, and if you're learning something new, then please subscribe to this channel. I will really appreciate it, and thanks again for watching. Stay tuned and stay healthy.